Hey, what's up, everyone? This is Crown Dodge in Ventura, and today we're taking a look at a beautiful pre owned 2018 Volkswagen Atlas SE. It comes in a mosaic black exterior color and a black interior color. It also has 84,366 miles on the odometer and a 3.6-liter V6 engine with an 8-speed automatic transmission. This car is a one clean CarFax and equipped with tons of features such as Bluetooth connectivity, a wide 8-inch LCD screen display, a backup camera, strong alloy wheels, 8 powerful speakers, rear air conditioning, remote keyless entry, and so much more. Call, direct message us, or visit our website for pricing and more detail. Again, this is Crown Dodge in Ventura, and you just took a look at a pre owned 2018 Volkswagen Atlas SE. Hope to see you soon and have a great day.